Environmental resource utilization. Most traditional societies used their environment sustainably, though inequality in resource utilization has existed in every society. The number of individuals that used a large proportion of resources was extremely limited. In recent times, the proportion of rich people in affluent societies grew rapidly. Inequality thus became a serious problem. Since each ecosystem has a non-living and a living part that are linked to each other, one needs to look around us and observe this closely. This is an important aspect that is a vital part of our lives. The non-living components of an ecosystem are the amount of water, the various inorganic substances, and organic compounds, the climatic conditions such as rainfall and temperature, which depend on geographical conditions and location, which is also related to the amount of sunlight. The living components of plant life ranges from extremely small bacteria which live in air, water and soil, algae which lives in fresh and salt water, to the terrestrial plants which range from grasses and herbs that grow after the monsoon every year, to the huge long-lived trees of the forest. The living components of animal world ranges from microscopic animals to small insects and the large animals such as fish, amphibia, reptiles, birds and mammals. Man is just one of the 1.8 million species of plants and animals that inhabit the earth. Thank you. Have a nice day.